The world's best traders lose a lot. Some of them are wrong on 7 out of every 10 trades, and they still make millions. Sounds impossible, right? By the end of this video, it's going to make perfect sense. Let's get into it. Picture the owner of a casino. On any single spin of the roulette wheel, the house can lose. People hit jackpots every single day. But does the casino owner sweat it? Not even a little, because they know something most gamblers don't. They don't need to win every bet. They just need a tiny edge that pays off over thousands of bets. The best traders think exactly like that casino owner. Each trade is one spin of the wheel. They'll lose plenty of them, but the math is quietly working in their favor the entire time. Here's the secret the pros live by. It's not your win rate that makes you money. It's something called expectancy. 2 ingredients: how often you win and how big your wins are compared to your losses. Watch this. Say you win only 40 out of 100 trades. You lost more than half. But your winners average $450 and your losers only cost you $200. Do the math. 40 wins times 450 is $18,000. 60 losses times 200 is $12,000. You're up $6,000 while losing most of the time. That's the magic. Big wins, small losses. And here's the kicker. The bigger your wins are compared to your losses, the less often you need to be right. At a 3-to-1 payoff, you can lose 3 out of 4 trades and still break even. At 5-to-1, you can be wrong 80% of the time and not lose a dime. So how do the legends actually pull this off? Rule 1, cut your losses short and let your winners run. Legendary trader Paul Tudor Jones kept a sign on his desk that basically screamed, "Don't feed your losers." He hunts for trades that can pay 5 times what he risks. Rule 2, bet small. Pros usually risk just 1 to 2% of their account on any single trade, so no bad streak can ever knock them out of the game. Rule 3, and this is the hard one, accept the losses. The famous turtle traders won only 30 to 40% of the time and still made over $175 million because they held onto those rare giant winners instead of chickening out early. The math only works if you've got the discipline to follow it when it hurts. So the next time you lose a trade, remember this. Losing isn't failing. The best traders in the world lose constantly. They just make sure their wins are big and their losses are small, and they let time and math do the rest. Think like the casino, not the gambler. If this flipped a switch in your brain, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.